What are some of the disadvantages with paint protection film? We've covered a lot of the positives and reasons why you should have it installed. Let's consider some of the drawbacks as well. One disadvantage that PPF has is its visibility, depending on the installation quality and film type. PPF may have visible edges and a slight difference in the appearance of the finish, which ultimately will cause your vehicle's appearance to look slightly off. That's why doing your own research is so crucial to finding the right film and installation. Another disadvantage of paint protection film is discoloration. Over the years, exposure to the sun can change the film's appearance, ultimately leading to a replacement. Another concern with paint protection film is maintenance. Paint protection film is relatively low maintenance compared to repainting a vehicle, but it still requires a level of maintenance that everyday people sometimes aren't looking for, such as not being able to go to a car wash. A lot of times car washes use dryers that are very strong and it can actually hurt and damage the film by lifting it up, causing all sorts of things to get underneath it, ultimately leading to a replacement. As well as in the springtime when there's a lot of pollen building up on exposed edges, it might require some additional wiping with a microfiber or a solution to clear that off. A common disadvantage that we hear is that paint protection film is very costly. It costs money to put it on and it costs money to remove it. Ultimately, it's still worth it though because it is protecting your vehicle's longevity. Once again guys, I'm Ben with Ceramic Pro. If you have any questions or comments, please drop them down below.